Next. There, you put there.
Okay. Onion.
Oh, next.
Okay.
Stop. Just wait.
No needless fees.
Look nothing.
Make easy instant.
Go.
Hot dog.
Ang galing.
Yeah, with my good.
Next.
Deer.
Ay, galing.
Yeah.
Oops.
Okay.
You choose.
No.
Oh, you choose.
Scratching.
Wait. Wait lang natin. Oh.
Okay, I can try. No.
Wow.
Okay, my turn.
Mm.
What's that?
You choose.
No, baby.
Nah, wait lang. You choose another.
No. Stories. Bear. Here's a bear.
Wait. Wait lang, Mommy.
No.
I'll go.
Feed the animals. What
Oh,
does
anong kinakain
the
ng dog?
eat?
Go. Yan.
Bone.
Very good. Oh, yung
What
cat.
does
Cat!
cat
Hindi, yung cat. Yan.
Fish.
Galing. Happy
What does
Happy.
the elephant eat?
Ano daw kinakain ng elephant? Ay, galing mo naman. Gagaling na.
What does the horse eat?
Oh, hindi. Yung horse, anong kinakain niya?
Apple. Apple.
Yung horse, anong eat ng horse?
Fish.
Uh-oh. No, hindi siya kumakain ng fish. Yung grass.
Apple.
Yung grass. Yan.
Grass.
Yan.
Grass. What does the fox need?
Very good. Oh, yung cow.
What does the cow eat?
Good job. Grass.
What
Oh,
does the
yun lang yun.
tiger
Ay,
eat?
tiger. Good job. Hati ka, no?
What does
Oh, yung
the
frog daw. Anong kinakain niya? Ayun. Galing. Good job.
What does the lion eat?
Yay! Nakasaya na.
What does the deer eat?
Oh, yung deer. Anong kinakain ng deer? Grass, baby. Grass.
Fish. Grass.
Oh. A grass.
What
Oh.
does the hippo eat?
Hippo. Anong kinakain ng hippo? Hippopotamus. Anong kinakain ng hippopotamus? No, not that one. Leaves. Yung leaves. Yan. Oh. Yay! Kasaya na.
What does the horse eat?
Oh, horse. Horse. Grass, baby. The grass.
Grass. What does
Lion.
the lion eat?
Lion, day.
Flowers.
Lion? Anong eat ng lion? Same sila ni tiger. Use this. Use your finger. Yan.
Meat.
Very good. Okay. Okay na. Okay na.
Does the fox eat?
Oh, you choose. You choose again. You choose.
Let's sort the similar items.
Okay. Tama.
Circle.
Very good. Oh, yung ano? Fruits. Yan. Very good. How about the kangaroo?
Kangaroo.
Ay, galing niya naman. Very good. Oh, go. Up. Oh, go.
Monkey.
Good job. Oops, what is that?
Mango.
Good job. Good job. Oh, next.
Cross.
Ay, galing. Oh, next.
Octagon.
Ay, galing. Oh, how about the pig? Oh, yan.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. A pig.
Pig.
Ay, galing. Nice. Next. What's next? Go. Pumpkin. The pumpkin. Yeah, good job. How about the hot dog? Hot dog. Yan. Oh, numbers. Yung number. Oops. Ginawa na kapin. Oh, lulipat na.
Let's identify the colors.
Colors. Very good. Brown. Whoops, careful.
Pink.
Pink. Very good.
Red.
Red. Very good. Oh.
Red. Brown.
Next. Good job. Good job, baby. Oops.
Red. Brown. That's
Galing.
great.
Oh, next.
Blue.
What color?
Gray.
Gray.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Blue. Gray.
Galing.
Blue. Orange. Gray.
Good job.
work.
Oh, what's next? Oh, what's next? Oh, next. Okay, go. Go na.
Okay.
Violet. Green.
Galing.
Yellow.
Ay, galing.
Green.
Galing.
Yellow. Violet.
Galing. Up.
Green. Violet. Yellow.
Good job.
Marvelous.
Oh, next. Go. You can do it, Megan.
Okay, I do it.
You can do it, Megan. Yellow. Color yellow. Where's... Yeah.
No.
Oh, green.
Green.
Yes.
Green. Yellow. Pink.
Good job. Ay, galing. Ay,
Green.
galing.
Yellow.
Ay, galing.
Yay! It's a baby dino!
Gray. Brown. Violet.
Oh, wow! It's a baby egg!
Oops. Oops.
Brown.
Yes.
Violet.
Hmm.
Gray. Violet. Gray. Violet. Brown. You are doing a good job.
You choose.
Let's learn parts of the body.
Hmm. Go.
Head.
Lagay mo yung head niya. Ay, good job. O, yung eyes niya. Yung eyes niya. The other one. The other one eye. Yung eye niya. Lagay mo. Go, use your finger. Hmm. Mouth niya, mouth. O, yung eyes niyang isa. Lagay mo yung eyes niya. Yan, pindot. Yung pindot. Pindot. Pindot mo. Use your finger like this. Yan. Ba't ayaw niya? Yan. Yan.
I want that.
Hair.
Yung hair niya. Put mo yung hair niya. Lagay mo yung hair niya sa head niya. Yan. Good job. O, yung kilay niya. Yan. O, sige na yun.
Torso.
O. Go.
Nuts.
Go. You put. Yan. Good job. Next.
Arm.
O, how about the other one?
Hand.
Hand niya. Yan. Good job.
No, I think
Oh, you choose. Oh, you don't want na. Ito.
Let's learn parts of the body.
Ah, same lang yan. Same lang kanina.
Head.
Yung eyes niya. Lagyan mo siyang eyes. Lagyan mo yung eyes niya. Yan. Oops. Use your finger. Use your finger kasi, oh. Dali, oh. Yan. Yan yung gamitin mo. Pindot. You pindot. Yay. You pindot. Sige na, pindot. Oh, yan. Oh, yan. Oh, the other one. Pindot. Pindot mo muna, pindot. Pindot, like this, pindot. Yan, pindot. Yan. Pindot mo muna. Oh, lagay mo na yung eye niya. Good job. What is that?
This one. Yes.
Oh, you put. Pindot mo. Yan. Pindot.
No. No.
Torso. Torso.
No. Nuts.
Ear.
Wait lang.
No. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Yes, mommy.
Learn. Try sorting. Small.
Asan yung small?
Large.
Yung small. Lagay mo siya sa small. Oops. Yan. Pindot mo. Yan. Oh, yung big. Yung malaki. No, yung pinakamalaki. Hindi, yung pinakamalaki. Dun siya sa bigger one. Dun sa malaki. Here, oh, Meg. Sa malaki. Yan. Oh, yung medium. Where's the medium size? Yung medium size. Yan. Oh, next.
Small. Medium. Large.
Yung small lang. Small. O, yung medium. Medium. Yan. O, yung large. Large. Good job.
Small. Medium. Large.
O, yung small. Put mo dun sa maliit. O, careful lang. Gently ka lang kasi. Gently. Isang daliri lang. O, lagay mo siya sa maliit. Doon sa small. Yan. O. Yung big yan. O, yung isa. Yan. Good job. Music. Music.
Feed the animals.
Diba? Tapos ka
What
na
does
dyan.
the fox eat?
Tapos ka na dyan.
No.
Okay. You choose. What do you want?
Oh no. I want pizza.
The pizza.
Okay. Pizza. I want pizza.
Done ka na?
Pizza.
Done na ikaw? Turn off na natin?
No. Pizza.
Oh, you go na. Go. Turn off na? Turn off na?
Yum. No.
Turn off? Mommy, we're going to turn off na?
Not. Pizza.
Puzzle. Beautiful.
One lang. Isang daliri lang dapat. You try the others. Try mo muna yung other. Yun yun. Bakit yun sa akin? Try mo muna kasi yung iba, yun Meron pa doon. Go. One finger lang. One finger. Yan.
I have to find them. Hey.
Coloring. Foods.
What color is that? What color? Blue. Okay.
Yay!
A burger. What color is that?
Green.
Green. Next. Oh, what color is that?
A pink.
Oh, pink. Oh, next. What else?
Yes. Oh, red.
Red?
Red.
Very
red,
good.
red.
That's color red. Oh, you choose other colors.
Red.
Yes, that's color red. You choose other color.
Mm.
Choose other color.
Yellow.
What color is that? What color?
Black.
Anong nangyari sa burger mo?
A bigger.
Oo nga, anong nangyari? It's so colorful. You know, blacks. Black Sparrow. No, you're done na dyan. Dyan ka na dyan eh.
Oh, no corn.
Oh.
Coloring.
Back mo na. Sabi mo, ayaw mo na yan.
No. Guess what?
Vegetables.
Yummy.
Vegetables.
No. That one bigger.
This one. Wait.
Blocks puzzle. Car. Train.
No.
Donkey. Carrot.
What is that? Use your finger. Oh, sige na. One finger lang. Gently lang kasi. Oh, use this. Hingka na akong gamat yung pengay na. Wait. Wait lang. Ano ba yun? Oh,
Donut.
donut. Oh, next. Use this finger. Yan. Oh, ganun mo. Yan. Oh, what's next?
Frog.
Good job.
Chili.
Yeah.
Mm.
No.
Mm. Yan. Oh.
Papaya.
Bakit yun sa akin? Yung sa'yo lang, only kasi ito lang, oh. Oh, ganyan ka, ganyan. Ba't yung daliri ko yung ginagamit mo? Kasi, sabi ko. Yun sa'yo na lang. Yan. Sige. Oh. Isang daliri lang kasi. Oh. Oh. Mm. Oh, yan, ikaw. Oh, ikaw.
Ikaw, mami, ikaw.
Ikaw, mami.
Yeah.
Ikaw, mami, ano pa mo?
Rhino.
Ikaw, mami, ikaw, ana. Oh, next.
Turtle.
Turtle. Oh. Use that one, the other one. You can go. Use that one, this one. Yung other hand mo. Na, wag yung pa. Oh, ito. Yan.
Snail. Quince. Cherry.
Yung ano mo kasi. Oh. Yan. Oh. Yan, good job. Go. Bakit kasi? Ito yung gamitin mo, yung isang kamay. Yan. Basa yung kamay mo eh.
snail,
Yan, good job.
Rabbit.
Now go. What is this?